What if we told you there are creatures living on our planet right now that look like they came from another world entirely? We're talking about animals with transparent heads where you can see their brains, crabs covered in silky blonde fur, and microscopic beings that can survive in the vacuum of space. Some look like they belong in science fiction, others seem physically impossible, and a few are so bizarre that researchers are still trying to understand how they exist. Today, we're counting down the 10 strangest creatures scientists have ever discovered, from immortal salamanders to sharks that look like prehistoric aliens. Each creature on this list will make you question everything you thought you knew about life on Earth. Number 1 lives deeper underwater than you can possibly imagine. Before we dive in, make sure to leave a like on this video. Also, if you'd like to join this week's Star 5 giveaway to win a brand new 2025 iPad Pro, then all you have to do is click subscribe and watch until the end to find and comment the hidden message. Good luck. Number 10. The leafy sea dragon, nature's perfect disguise. The leafy sea dragon, found along Australia's southern coast, is a seahorse relative that looks exactly like floating seaweed. It has elaborate leaf-like appendages covering its entire body, making it virtually indistinguishable from the kelp forest where it lives. One of nature's most perfect examples of camouflage. Unlike seahorses, the leafy sea dragon doesn't have a prehensile tail for gripping. Instead, it drifts slowly through the water, its leaf-like fins gently swaying to mimic actual seaweed movements. Predators swim right past without noticing it's actually a living creature hiding in plain sight. The sea dragon uses tiny, nearly transparent fins for propulsion. Its dedication to camouflage is so extreme that evolution gave it decorative features that actually make swimming harder. Number 9. The pink see-through Fantasia, the floating jellybag. Discovered 2,500 meters deep in the Gulf of Mexico, the pink see-through Fantasia is a bizarre sea cucumber that looks like a floating pink jellybag with glowing fins. Its name perfectly captures its otherworldly, fantastical appearance that seems impossible to be real. This creature's transparent body reveals all its internal organs in motion. You can literally watch its digestive system processing food and its organs functioning in real time. The pink coloration comes from its internal structures, while its body remains almost completely see-through like living glass. Scientists were stunned when they first captured footage of this creature. It moves through the deep ocean like a ghostly balloon, using its fins to paddle gracefully through the darkness. Number 8. The glass frog, the invisible amphibian. The glass frog from Central and South America has translucent skin so clear you can literally see its organs beating inside its body. Looking at its underside reveals its heart pumping blood, its liver processing nutrients, and its eggs developing. This tiny amphibian earned the nickname invisible frog because from certain angles it nearly disappears against leaves. The skin on its back is typically lime green for camouflage, but its belly remains completely transparent, creating an eerie window into its internal biology. Scientists study glass frogs to understand tissue transparency and how organs can function while being visible. Watching one sit on a leaf with its visible heart beating is one of nature's most surreal and mesmerizing sights. Number 7. The tardigrade, Earth's indestructible animal. The tardigrade, nicknamed the water bear, is a microscopic creature that's nearly indestructible. These 8-legged micro-animals can survive extreme radiation, boiling water, freezing temperatures, crushing pressure, and even the vacuum of space, making them the toughest animals known to science. Scientists have exposed tardigrades to conditions that would instantly kill any other creature, and they survive. They've been frozen for decades and revived. They've been exposed to 6 times the radiation of nuclear fallout and lived. They were even sent into space where they survived the vacuum and solar radiation. Their secret is cryptobiosis. They can essentially shut down all metabolic processes and become nearly lifeless until conditions improve. These microscopic creatures prove that life can be far more resilient than we ever imagined. Number 6. The barrel eye fish, the transparent-headed wonder. The barrel eye fish found in the Pacific Ocean's dark depths has one of the strangest features ever discovered, a completely transparent dome-shaped head. You can see its green, barrel-shaped eyes rotating inside its see-through skull, making it look like a creature from science fiction brought to life. For years, scientists thought the barrel eye could only look upward because its tubular eyes seemed fixed in position. Then underwater cameras revealed the shocking truth. Its eyes can rotate inside its transparent head, allowing it to look forward when attacking prey or upward when searching. The transparent dome is filled with fluid that protects its sensitive eyes from the stinging tentacles of jellyfish, which it often steals food from. This fish literally has a window into its brain, showing its eyes moving and tracking prey. Number 5. The blue dragon, the venomous ocean jewel. The blue dragon is a small ocean slug that floats upside down on the sea's surface, displaying brilliant metallic blues and silvers. This tiny creature, rarely longer than an inch, Looks like a magical serpent made of liquid metal drifting across the ocean. Next up on our list is a creature that looks like fantasy art come to life. If you're enjoying these bizarre animals so far, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos. What makes the blue dragon even more incredible is its deadly hunting strategy. It preys on venomous jellyfish like the Portuguese man-o-war, consuming their stinging cells and storing them in its own finger-like appendages. Despite its small size and beautiful appearance, the blue dragon's stored venom makes it dangerous to touch. It concentrates the venom from multiple jellyfish, making its sting potentially more potent than its prey's. Number 4. The goblin shark, the living fossil. And if you're still watching, comment hidden truth below to prove you're one of the smart ones who made it this far. Often called a living fossil, the goblin shark is a pinkish deep sea shark with an ancient lineage dating back 125 million years. Its translucent skin and protruding snout make it look like a prehistoric alien, and its hunting method is straight out of nightmares. The goblin shark's most shocking feature is its jaw, which can unhinge and shoot forward like a spring-loaded trap to snatch prey. The entire jaw extends outward rapidly, creating a terrifying feeding mechanism that's been captured on rare underwater footage. Its pinkish color comes from blood vessels visible through translucent skin, and its flabby body suggests it's a slow ambush predator. Scientists rarely see living goblin sharks because they inhabit extreme depths. Number 3. The axolotl, the salamander that never grows up. The axolotl, found in Mexico's lakes, is a salamander that never grows up. Literally, it remains in its juvenile aquatic state for its entire life, a phenomenon called neoteny. But what makes it truly extraordinary is its ability to regenerate limbs, organs, spinal cord tissue, and even parts of its brain. If an axolotl loses a leg, it grows back perfectly. Bones, muscles, nerves, everything. If its heart is damaged, it repairs itself. Scientists have documented axolotls regenerating the same limb multiple times without losing this ability. This regenerative power is unmatched in the vertebrate world. The axolotl's permanently smiling face and external gills make it look adorable, but it's one of biology's greatest mysteries. Sadly, wild axolotls are critically endangered due to habitat loss. These amazing creatures might hold keys to human healing, yet they're vanishing from their native lakes. Number 2. The yeti crab, the deep-sea crustacean with fur. The yeti crab, discovered in 2005 near Easter Island, has long, silky blonde hairs covering its claws, like a crustacean wearing a fur coat. This deep-sea crab looks so bizarre that scientists created an entirely new family classification just for it when they found it near hydrothermal vents. Those silky hairs aren't just decorative. Scientists believe the yeti crab cultivates bacteria on them to detoxify poisonous minerals spewing from underwater volcanoes. It essentially farms bacteria on its arms and may even eat them as food. The yeti crab is also completely blind, having evolved in pitch-black depths where eyes are useless. It navigates entirely by sensing chemicals and heat from the volcanic vents. Its furry appearance and extreme habitat make it one of the ocean's most alien-looking creatures. Number 1. The Dumbo octopus, the deep-sea cartoon character. Taking our number 1 spot is the Dumbo octopus, named for its ear-like fins that make it look exactly like Disney's flying elephant. This deep-sea octopus lives over 10,000 feet underwater, deeper than almost any other octopus species, making it one of the ocean's most extreme residents. The Dumbo octopus moves by gently flapping its ear-like fins, creating a motion so adorable it looks animated rather than real. Its gelatinous, semi-transparent body and huge eyes give it a cartoonish appearance that seems impossible for a creature living in complete darkness and crushing pressure. Unlike shallow water octopuses, the Dumbo octopus doesn't have an ink sac because there's no light in its habitat for ink to obscure. The Dumbo octopus represents life at Earth's absolute limits. It survives in near freezing water under pressure that would instantly crush humans, yet it floats through the darkness looking like a gentle, magical creature from a children's story. That wraps up our list of the strangest creatures scientists have ever discovered. These bizarre animals prove that Earth is full of life forms more alien than anything we could imagine. If you could have any creature's ability on this list, would you choose the axolotl's regeneration powers or the tardigrade's indestructibility? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to Star 5 for more amazing content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.